welcome. This is Liz Arm with a Stock Swoosh reviewing the market. So we had a huge sell-off this week. It was nice to see. Last week I called it. I said, be out of all longs. I think this is the beginning of the sell-off. And it could have happened last week, but it was really good timing here for us. I actually thought we would have the big sell-off here it was almost a month ago now. It's hard to believe. It's almost the end of August. It is the end of August. It's almost September 1st. But I thought what happened here was going to happen here. But it happened, and again, here we are. Big sell-off here. Again, for those of you that don't know what I do, I prefer to short. So we had a huge week. And we were in it early, and we got the whole shebang. And today now, we are still gapping down in a market that is showing a lot of weakness going into a Friday tomorrow where we have a Fed Jackson Hole meeting that nobody knows what anything's going to happen or what anyone's going to say. We could have a big rally, we could go up, make new highs. We could go nowhere, which I doubt it, or we could fall off a cliff. So it's going to be very interesting in the next 24 or 48 hours to see exactly what happens and what Powell says, but people are already starting to talk today. I think that this market, again, to me, made no sense that we rallied the way that we did after the pause. I never was crazy bullish on this market. I did a few longs, but not a lot. I prefer to short, so it's easy for me to see weakness. And timing is a tricky thing in the market. Again, I thought this sell-off would happen before it did, but again, timing is a very tricky thing. There's a lot of people, though, that are so bullish on this market. They're all in this. They buy every dip. They bought yesterday in the bounce. They're going long today. So it's really going to be interesting to see where we go. Again, we had a wonderful week to short, and in 1 week it's Labor Day. So again, we have a holiday period, which there's so much news going on. You say, what's going to happen with the Russia-Ukraine situation, and we're going into a Labor Day. Listen, things can still happen. Lots of news is going on. We're in a 24-hour news cycle. So, you've got to pay attention to your trades. You've got to watch what's going on. We clearly have summer volume here right now. This is such low volume in the Qs. In fact, we're talking about this with Tesla. Tesla has more volume than the market today. I mean, seriously. That's crazy. But, so it's kind of like still summer trading here. People are getting ready to get the kids back to school. Some kids are back to school. We should have a very busy fall, but if you're not watching what things that you're in right now, you could get slammed. And you could also miss opportunity for some really good trades, which we took advantage of this week and last week and hope to close out the month here very strong. Nice way to end the summer and go into the fall. If you're interested in learning my method, email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. I have a class once a month. The next class is not until the end of September, but you can sign up now and start trading. It's September 20th and 21st. Email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. Cost of the class is $6,999. It's going to be a great end to 2025.